Hey, it's Kevin McCarthy and welcome to A Day in Real Estate. So today I'm out to come take pictures of a house that we are getting ready to list in Lakeway. This one is going to be a rental. I mean, the market is what it is, so sometimes it makes more sense to rent right now than it does to sell. 6 of one, half a dozen of another. For some people, it's really good to sell. For others, it just makes more sense to rent. But anyway, this particular house that came out here, it's not quite ready. There's a couple of things that we wound up needing to button up, but we discovered a water leak also that's out here. And so the valve out front, I wound up doing some triage, looking at the valve out front. I've got to get that replaced so that we can shut off the water to this house and have somebody really assess this and see what's going on. But also the refrigerator, I mean, the maids cleaned it, but these Samsung refrigerators, this particular design is such a pain for a lot of people because they have issues with the way that the water, the panel is in them, and it just can't get clean. Maids can't get them clean. They don't know how to take it apart. I've figured this out over time because the little things matter. This stupid glass panel on these Samsung refrigerators, the maids can never get under there and get them clean because they've got these clips in them, and it's just a terrible design of this thing. It always gets nasty under there. Just these little clips. Except you have to remove the whole tray in order to get the clips out from below in order to clean the glass. It's ridiculous. That little thing right there. All right, so it's all cleaned up now. And here's the trick if you have one of these pain in the butt Samsung refrigerators, right? This right here has a lip that holds the glass. So all you gotta do is slide the glass in here, set it in, and then just forget those little clips in the back. Don't even bother with those. This front holds the glass from anything pressing on it. Yes, in the back it'll push up, but that's just like any other glass shelf in a refrigerator. Now, you don't have to remove the entire thing. All you gotta do is pop the glass up, clean it, and put it right back in the refrigerator. Just forego those little clips altogether. It's a real pain in the butt, and just leave them out. So if you're getting a place ready and you're paying attention to things, walk through it, give it a really good look. It's the little things that matter. Stuff like that gunk in the refrigerator, that's gonna turn somebody off. That might make somebody pass on this place versus taking it immediately because of little things, right? The little paint touch-ups, the scum that happens to be there not scrubbed off, or the porch that's not swept off and blown, the grass that might not be cut, or anything like that. It is those little things that can matter sometimes. Sometimes they're not all that noticeable. I notice them because I'm used to paying attention to those things. But the tenants or the buyers, they might not notice it right away, but they just know it either feels much better or it doesn't, right? And so those little things matter. Pay attention to the little things. I'm Kevin McCarthy. If you need help with things, I am here for you this summer. Let's sit down and talk about it.